Okay, so I have the PC for like almost about a year now, but when I have opened my friend's PC and he was asking me for assistance to build up his one and like to see the things, and after like opening his one also, when I open my one, the wires, mainly the wires, I don't understand them. Like, where will I put which wire in the motherboard? So I was like, today I was like, what the fuck? Like, I don't even know this. So I have took my time to understand the computer components and like where each thing goes, how each thing works from the uh, Google IT support course. That's not a course, like it's like a master class or something. They are covering different aspects of the computer there. So I have just watched their hardware aspect, and now I know about where each thing goes. So I have fully opened up my computer, like every single damn thing I have opened up. Kinda, it's like uh, on the preview how it was. I have fully opened up it like that. Here are the two side panels and the things, the screws, and also I actually wanted to make a full video of how I built this up, but I don't have enough manpower to do the video, and also I don't have enough storage capacity to do the video. And here is the like damn thing, which is like only this thing is fully more than what is that called in price than all other things. Damn, like holding it in hand feels something like, I don't know, maybe for most of the people it's normal, but yeah, that's a damn expensive thing for me. So yeah, I will make this up and maybe I will do a video, but I won't be able to like explain while doing the video, and won't be able to like show where I'm doing the why I'm plugging each things. And also another thing, like the power, what is that called, the power supply. Yeah, the power supply I have like opened it even further. Normally in the stock it was like turned off, but there were some screws in this fan while it was off. So I was thinking like, why is this screw here? I have just opened up the screws, and then to fix that fan up again I have to like open this whole thing up. Yeah, so I have like opened it up more than the stock one. Lol. Okay, so that's all for this one, and maybe I'll continue to do it when I build it up. Interesting. If you are not about it, product. Ini bisa kontak gitu. Itu boleh. Mana boleh? Tiga lagi. Okay, so when I was building up the computer again, there were some many of like difficulties, and that's why I haven't focused in the video at all. And then I've just put my full focus into building the thing. And yeah, I haven't shown it, like I fully forgot about making the video that it's running and working. It's already night right now, and right now I haven't put any cover in here, and like put my PC in a very odd way, because of some purposes. I want to actually mine, or like I'm mining with the CPU, mining crypto with CPU, and it's not profitable at all, but I just want to learn the mechanics. I want to learn how the things are going, how I can make it more efficient, and how the applications work. So I'm just doing it for like learning. Maybe in future I will be serious about it and get into mining or something. But yeah, I'm just trying on, and right now my CPU temperature is 87, and like I'm trying to understand how to balance these things. Like I have make some applications less powerful, or like taking away some power from them by adjusting the cores in of how much they will cost. And that's why actually this is still in balance, or else this temperature just rises to 95 and like the computer shut down. But now that I have figured out a way to like actually manage, now it's manageable. And yeah, so I'm learning more, and this was my first ever PC build. That was a great experience.